professor in BCA, AJK College of Arts and Science, Coimbatore. In this session, I am going to discuss about text and font from graphics and multimedia subject. Multimedia have 5 main building blocks like text, image, audio, video and animation. Text have many different types: plain text, hypertext, unformatted text and formatted text. Plain text consisting of fixed size character having essentially the same type of appearance. Formatted text where appearances can be changed using format parameters. Hypertext, which can serve to link different electronic documents, enable the user to jump from one to other in a non-linear way. Unformatted text, it is also known as a plain text. The character set off as table. Each character is represented by a 7-bit binary code. The character includes small a to z and capital A to z and other punctuation characters like single and double quoted. Formatted text, a part from alphanumeric characters. Control character are used to change the appearance of the character. Example: bold, underline, italic and etc. Used in books, journals, magazines, publishing sector, etc. Hypertext. Document provide a method of transmitting information. A hypertext document can be used to handle multiple reaches at different places of the readers. Hypertext is mostly used on the www for linking different web pages together and allowing the user to navigate from one page to another. On the web target documents are specified by the website address, technically known as Uniform Resource Locates. Unicode Standard. Unicode Standard is new universal character coding scheme for written characters and text. The Unicode Standard goes far beyond ASCII, limited to capability by providing the capacity of encoding more than 1 million characters. UCS for UTF-32 uses 32-bit for each character. The simplest scheme as it consists of fixed length encoding, how it is not efficient with regard to storage space and memory usage and therefore rarely used. Therefore, here means 4 bytes. 32 means 32 bits. UTF-16, a 16 bits encoding format in its native format. It can encode numbers up to FFF, example as XX, XX, XX. For encoding beyond this, the original number is expressed as a combination of two 16-bit numbers. UTF-8, the bit of Unicode character is divided into a series of 8-bit numbers. Next, move on, font. Font appearance. The appearance of each character in case of formatted text is determined by specifying a font name. Font name refers to font file which contain the actual description of the character appearance. These files are usually in vector format, meaning that character description are stored mathematically. Windows calls this font as true type font because the appearances stays the same on different devices like monitor, printer and plotters, and they have file extension of TTF. Example are default fonts Times New Roman and Arial. Font size and style. Font may have a sizes. Size is specified in a unit called point, where 1 point equals 1 divided by 72 of inch. Standard character of textual document usually range from 10 to 12 pts in size. Some of the commonly styles one of are bold, italic, underline and etc. Insertion of text using keyboard. The most common process inserting text into digital documents is by typing the text using an input device like keyboard. Microsoft Word is used to contain the appearance of text, which allows the user to manipulate variables like the font size, color style, etc. Copying and pasting. Another way of inserting text into a document is by copying text from a pre-existing digital document. Next, move on insertion of the text. Using OCR, to able to edit the text, it needs to be converted from an image format into the editable text format using software called optical character recognition software. Text compression. Large text documents covering a number of pages may take a lot of disk space. We can apply compression algorithm to reduce the size of disk space. A reverse algorithm must be applied to decompress the file before its contents can be displayed on screen. File formats: TXT, Notepad, unformatted, TOS, Unix, Windows. Document my MS Word, RTF, rich text format, text edit, Mac OS, PDF, Adobe System, PostScript, Perform, Interpret. Thank you.